This is the Keychron C1. I borrowed this from a buddy of mine, and as you can see, he switched out the keycaps for these cool PBT keycaps from KBD fans. The board is a 10 keyless layout, which boasts a 3, 6, and 9 degree typing angle, as well as a low price of $49. The board comes in both RGB and non-RGB versions, as well as comes with brown, blue, or red Keychron switches as standard. One of the coolest things about this board is that the stabs actually come pre-lubed. In its stock form and for the price, I think this board sounds pretty good. Have a listen. Like everything else in this hobby, it comes down for preference. But if you're in the market for a nice TKL for a nicer price, starting at $49, I think the C1's a great place to go.